Hello everyone, I'm Julie from Beyourjordans.club. Okay, today I got a new shoes for you. It's really cool one and really hot sale now. Okay, you can check the shoe box here. On the top here is red Jumpman. Okay, let's check the size tag. You can see here also red Jumpman, and the size tag here you can see is size US 9 and other information. You can check it by yourself. Okay, it's really a cool shoe box. You can check the pattern. It's really nice. Okay, and then now come to the shoes. You can see this is Air Jordan 6 Black Cats with 3M. Okay, and in the box here is the card and the black tissue paper. This is very smooth and the very top one. Okay, and now come to the shoes in details. You can check the shoe the shape first. You can check it. It's very cool, right? You can see. Okay, and check the button. Okay. You can check the top box here, check the shape and the space. It's really nice. And check the upper is the leather materials and really soft and really nice. Okay, and with sun holes for breathing is really a nice pattern. You can check it along the shoes. So many holes. Okay, it's really cool. Okay, and then check the time here with different materials. It's very soft, like colorless materials. It's really soft, also with sun holes on it. Okay, and check the shoelace. It's a very special pattern. You can see and the tips. Okay, and then check this part. You can see black Jumpman. Okay, and check the shoe lock here with white Jumpman. Okay, okay, and then check here with plastic materials, and you can see the letters on it. Air Jordan. You can see it's really a special design, and check the stitching is really a perfect workmanship. Okay, and check the back side. You can see very special pull tab, also plastic materials, and this part different materials, really soft one and really comfortable. And you can got black Jumpman and air letters here. Okay, okay, let's check the midsole. You can see with different colorway. It's really nice. Okay, and check the button. It's also very cool with different colorway in different parts. You can check it. And the white Jumpman here, really top quality. Okay, now check the inside. Let me take out the shoe tree. You can check the back side of the thumb. Okay, and the size tag. And the materials of this part is really soft. And check the insole. You can see on the insole, here's the pattern. It's really cool. Black insole. Okay, you can check the stitching of inside. You can check it by yourself with some digit on it. Okay, Okay, this is the shoes I want to show you today. It's the Air Jordan 6 Black Cat with Liam. Okay, and if you are interested for this style, please come to our website Beyourjordans.club for more information. Thank you for watching. See you next time.